Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make dark mode darker on iPhone. First thing you will need to do is go into settings on your iPhone, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select accessibility. Once in accessibility, you're going to tap on display and text size. That's the third option from the top. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to select reduce white point, and by turning that on you will automatically realize that your iPhone screen has gotten darker, and you can simply increase the volume by swiping up and it will get even darker than when your phone is in dark mode, as you can see right there. And if you would like it to get even darker, you can simply swipe down from the top right hand corner, or depending on the model iPhone you have, you'll simply swipe up, and then after doing this you can simply pull down on the slider for the brightness, as you can see here, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.